How to fix your iPad camera quality. So in this video, I'll show you how to increase the quality of your camera, and this is going to make it much easier to get high quality photos and videos. Now the first thing you need to do is make sure the lens of your camera is completely clean. So this is usually the biggest culprit why you're seeing bad camera quality. So even if the lens looks clean, we're just going to grab a damp cloth and then you can try wiping the lens like so. Now once this is completely clean, there's also a couple of settings we can change on the iPad. So first just go in, load up your settings. From the left hand side, scroll down and click on camera. Now select record video and set this to 4K at 60 FPS. Now I also like to check the option next to lock white balance, and this is going to stop the exposure from changing while you're recording. Now come back over to the previous window, click on formats and select high efficiency. And this is going to also give you better camera quality. Now finally scroll down to the grid, and you may also want to consider turning this on, and this is going to help you better position your objects when you're recording or taking a photo. Now once you've done all of this, you can go and load up the camera app. And before taking your photo or video, what I would recommend doing is adjusting the exposure. So if the camera is either too light or too dark, then what you can do is just go and tap on the part of the screen you want to focus on, and then you can go and adjust this brightness slider to either make the camera darker or brighter. Now once you've applied all of these steps, that should have fixed any poor camera quality on your iPad.